Welcome back to Weirdest World, the channel where we dive into the strangest, most mind-bending mysteries of our universe. And today, we're tackling one of the biggest questions in science and philosophy. Do parallel universes really exist? Stay with me until the very end of this video, because I'm going to share a weird fact about this story that will completely change the way you think about reality. Let's start with a simple but terrifying idea. Infinity. In 1929, astronomer Edwin Hubble discovered that galaxies are moving away from us, proving that the universe is expanding. That discovery laid the foundation for the Big Bang theory. But here's the kicker. If the universe is infinite, then matter must eventually repeat itself. That means somewhere, unimaginably far away, there could be another Earth, another you, another me, doing the exact same thing, right now. This isn't science fiction. It's a logical consequence of infinity combined with the finite number of ways particles can arrange themselves. Fast forward to the 1980s. Physicist Alan Guth proposed the theory of cosmic inflation. He suggested that in the first fraction of a second after the Big Bang, the universe expanded faster than the speed of light. Some models of inflation predict that this expansion didn't happen evenly. Instead, it created bubbles of space-time. Each bubble could become its own universe with its own physical laws. Imagine champagne fizzing in a glass. We're just one bubble in an endless froth of universes. But things get even weirder when we look at quantum mechanics. In 1957, Hugh Everett proposed the many worlds interpretation. According to Everett, every time a quantum event occurs, like a particle being in two states at once, the universe splits. One universe where the particle goes left, another where it goes right. That means every decision you make, every coin flip, every roll of the dice could spawn a new universe. In one universe, you're watching this video. In another, you clicked away. In another, Weirdest World doesn't even exist. Now, let's jump to something more recent. In 2020, scientists working with the Antarctic Impulsive Transient Antenna, or ANITA, detected strange signals from neutrinos, tiny, nearly massless particles that rarely interact with matter. These signals didn't fit our current models of physics. Some researchers speculated that they could be evidence of a CPT symmetric universe, a mirror universe created alongside ours at the Big Bang, where time flows backward. The media went wild with headlines like, "NASA discovered a parallel universe." That wasn't true. NASA didn't confirm anything, but the anomaly itself remains unexplained. And the idea of a universe running in reverse is chilling. Imagine a world where people rise from the grave, live their lives backward, and end in the womb. In 2023, Japan's University of Tsukuba found math proof for mirror symmetry in string theory. They showed that parallel worlds predicted by string theory follow the same transformation rules, reinforcing the idea that hidden dimensions and twin universes could exist. String theory itself suggests that our universe is just one of many, connected through higher dimensions we can't perceive. And then there's the Mandela effect. Millions of people swear they remember things differently, like the Berenstain Bears spelled as Berenstein, or Nelson Mandela dying in prison in the 1980s. Psychologists explain this as false memory, but some believe it's evidence of slipping between parallel realities. While not scientific proof, it's a cultural phenomenon that keeps the multiverse alive in the public imagination. So, what's the weird fact I promised you? Here it is. If the many worlds interpretation is true, then right now, as you're watching this, there are infinite versions of you who made different choices. One version of you never found this channel. Another version of you is living in a universe where dinosaurs never went extinct. And somewhere out there, there's a version of you who already knows the answer to whether parallel universes exist. The evidence isn't conclusive, but it's compelling. From Hubble's discovery in 1929, to Guth's inflation theory in 1980, to Everett's many worlds in 1957, to the ANITA experiment in 2020, and the University of Tsukuba's findings in 2023, the case for parallel universes is stronger than ever. Whether it's infinity, quantum mechanics, or string theory, the universe seems to be hinting that reality is far stranger than we can imagine. So, what do you think? Are we living in just one universe, or are we part of an infinite multiverse? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this dive into the weirdest science, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Because here on Weirdest World, the truth is always stranger than fiction.